So I'm going to talk to you about the win of Writing Our World. And the first win is 2018. This is when this project started. Redwood Day School, which is a phenomenal full-day school program for students with dyslexia located in Chicago, Illinois, was in its first year. And I was in that classroom. I had 10 students that were with me. They all had dyslexia, and they were all various grade levels and at various instructional levels. And I felt really confident in the reading intervention that I was giving them, but I didn't feel like I had the right tools in my hands for developing their written expression, and they had so many amazing things to say. So I attended the Everyone Reading Illinois conference that's hosted in Naperville every year. It's a phenomenal organization if you've not heard of them. And I heard a presentation on the writing revolution. I ordered the book while I was at the presentation. Thank you, Amazon. And I read it cover to cover as soon as it came, and it was the framework that I had been looking for to set me up for success in providing explicit written expression instruction to my students with dyslexia in a way that stuck and in a way that truly set them up for telling their story through writing, which for many of them was something they felt really insecure about. So that is where the Writing Our World journey started, with the reading of that book and starting to implement the framework in that very first Redwood Day cohort.